Have you ever wished Claude Code remembered everything about your project every time you opened it? Imagine never having to explain your coding standards, folder structure, or testing commands again. That's exactly what Claude.md Configuration does. Today you'll learn what Claude.md is, why every Claude Code project should have one, how Claude actually uses it, what information belongs inside it, how to build your own Claude.md from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make Claude Code smarter before you even type your first prompt. Every new chat starts fresh. Claude doesn't automatically remember project rules, naming conventions, frameworks, coding, style, or folder layout. Without context, Claude must guess. Not a good idea and poor results. Think of Claude.md as instruction manual, an onboarding guide. Every employee gets and Claude gets too. Includes project folder, global user folder, identifies difference between local and global configurations and more. What happens behind the scene? Developer starts Claude. Claude finds Claude.md, reads instructions, loads project context, header information, discuss, project name, project, senior fitness app, purpose, provide daily exercise routines for adults over 60. Note, sections explained in Claude. Teach, Python, React, TypeScript. Note, Claude performs better knowing technologies. TypeScript strict mode, camel case, 100-character line length. Note, provide consistency, directory structure, so, /, component /, test /, doc /, config / asset /. Note, Claude instantly knows where everything belongs. Command and testing. Examples: npm run dev, npm run build, pytest test / unicorn app main, app, reload. Note, Claude can recommend exactly the right commands. Never edit payment system. Review authentication code. Protect secrets. Never delete migrations. Note, explains guardrails. Walkthrough. Number 1. Create folder. Number 2. Add project. Number 3. Add stack. Number 4. Add commands. Number 5. Add rules. Note, simple.md file demonstration. Summarize. 1. Claude.md saves time. 2. Improves consistency. 3. Provides project memory. 4. Makes Claude more accurate. 5. Works on every session. If this video helped you understand Claude.md configuration, subscribe for more Claude Code tutorials where we simplify today's AI technologies into practical, step-by-step guides you can start using immediately. Glad you joined us and see you soon.